Hi Momshies! Today I'm going to show you my beauty night routine. So ayan guys, I'm using scrubbing face wash from Miss Chung product. So ayan mga guys, as you can see, sige, kas. Very light lang yan. Very light lang yung pang-brush ko. So yung skin ko na may sabon na yan, mababad na Miss Chung soap din. So yan guys, medyo ayan. Tapos after that, ayan lang guys, ayan lang ginagawa ko, kalat-kalat, massage and then I'm washing it with cold water, tap water, medyo malamig para yung mga pores. Then after a little bit warm para yung pores natin flush, para basa natin dahil kasi yung pores sa labas. So we need to remove all the dirt, sabog, kung ano pa. And then I'm using a paper towel for my face, not a face towel. Kasi yung towel ko, I'm only using it for my body. So our face, the one very sensitive, para iwas pimples, acne. So yan, after that, yan. So yun guys, and after I wash it and dry, I'm using toner with Miss Chung din, toner. So everything set, yung beauty products ko from Miss Chung. So I'm buying it online. So ayan, hindi rin ganong masyadong maano yung pag-ano natin. So after ng face, yung ears, para malis lahat. Then down to neck, sa leeg, yan. Okay, para pantay yung linis. Yan guys, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang ang ano ko, kuskus, mekus lang natin. Yan. Nawala yung mga libag-libag, mekus. Okay guys, so ayan lang, secret night routine ni Momshi Evie. So yan. Then after, last is my serum, which is with Miss Chung also serum. So I'm using my serum every night and morning. So yun guys, ganyan lang. Alright guys, that's only my simple. No, see you next vlog guys.
Thank you. See you on my next